Once your contacts are added, organizing them is what unlocks the real power of your CRM. It's how you go from just storing information to actually using it for better follow-ups, smarter outreach, and faster access to what matters most. Whether you're managing 50 leads or 50,000, structured contact data makes everything easier. Let me show you how to keep your BIGContacts database clean, searchable, and totally tailored to your workflow. Organizing your contacts means faster filtering, more precise segmentation, and less time digging through spreadsheets or scattered notes. One of the simplest ways to stay organized is by assigning a contact type. Think of this like labeling someone. Are they a lead, client, vendor, or volunteer? Once you assign a type, you can instantly filter your entire list to see only those who matter for your next campaign or follow-up. It's a simple way to create structure without adding complexity. Need to track info like account status, region, or preferred product? That's where custom fields come in. Custom fields give you control over the details you track. Whether it's account status, region, or even preferred product, these fields make sure your database reflects what's unique to your business. The payoff? You can segment instantly by those fields, like pulling up all high-priority accounts or filtering by a specific location with just a click. This is perfect if you're managing multiple business units, handling applications, or just need better context for your contacts. Tags are one of the most powerful tools in BIGContacts. They're flexible and work for almost anything from event attendance, referral source, and interests to sales funnel stages. With tags in place, you can slice and dice your contact list however you need, giving you fast insights and highly targeted groups for outreach. Once your contacts have types, custom fields, and tags, you'll be able to filter, search, and sort your entire list in seconds, no matter how big it is. A little structure goes a long way. By organizing your contacts like this, your campaigns, reports, and follow-ups become more targeted and a lot less stressful. It's one of the best ways to stay in control as your business grows. If you found this helpful, tap like, share it with your team, and hit the subscribe icon for more such tips and tricks. And if you want to explore deeper features like saved views, segmentation strategies, or dynamic filters, check out our Help Center. More quick how-tos are coming your way.